What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. On today's video we are going to cook the easiest way of cooking cassava leaves. We start with cassava leaves and meat only. You don't need anything today. We are not adding any fish as I did on other video like 2 years ago. So we are only using the beef and we are using cassava leaves. So this is the easiest way for the moms, for all busy people, for students, for family people these days just love easiest way. So this is the easiest way. You cook for your 40 minutes and you let it boil and let it cook. Then I always throw in pepper. This is optional depending if you like pepper, but if you have, let's say, young kids that do not eat pepper, please do not add pepper. But for me, I love pepper and I don't have like young kids, so I throw in my onions. So I cut big sizes because I know it will cook for long. So by the end of the cooking you won't find the onions. Then I throw the green pepper and red pepper and I cover them and I let them cook like section. At the meantime, I'll be doing other house chores and I throw in my garlic. I love garlic. This girl on Norin, everything she cooks comes in with garlic. So I throw in tomatoes and I cover and I let it cook. So depending on how you want your like cassava leaves to cook, if you want it to be tender, like every season you put, you'll be like taking like 30 minutes or 10 minutes. So in this time I add my palm oil. So this is optional. For me, I like palm oil. It add the taste, it add the nice smell. So this is optional. You don't need to add palm oil if you don't like palm oil. So, and then next I'll add cooking oil, like you can add vegetable oil, you can add olive oil, but mine today I'll be using cooking oil. And because I already have palm oil, I'm going not to put that much oil, but I'll add a little bit because I cooked the whole packet of cassava oil. So if you are not cooking the whole pack, you can put a little bit of oil. So on this stage I added the oil depending on what I'm cooking, and I'm putting peanut powder. So you can put either peanut butter or peanut powder. So I'm using peanut powder, and after I don't mix, I cover it for the next like 10 to 15 minutes and I let the taste and the ingredient sink inside the food that I cook. Because when you mix, you make the pot I don't know how to burn out. You make the pot to burn out, but I just put on top and cover and let it cook. See how this food looks. Like seasonings, you don't need to add, but this girl on Norin, she loves her seasonings, so it depends on which seasonings you add. So I'll be adding Royco, Maggi, black pepper, parsley. So it depends on which ingredient you want. So if you are not like a seasoning person, this is the end. You see how this food look. Like it's easy for the moms as you are taking care of the kids, or easy for people like students. If as you are studying, you can cook this. Like it doesn't give you hard time. So this is my seasoning. I throw in the seasoning and I cover again before I mix. We want our seasonings to go inside well. Then I cover, then I mix. So this is, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Like I love cooking this easy. So I used to cook like sometime when I have visitors, I always cook the drama one that I'll add fish, I'll add like all details, ingredient, I'll fry it. But this, I was just making it for myself and I was busy doing other house chores as we work almost 4 days a week, so we don't have that much time. So thank you so much for everybody that watched the video. Bye.